Hello all, welcome back to our channel. This is Sujita from VSC Silk Sarees. In this video, we are going to see a most hit design, which is a brocade handloom Kanchipuram soft silk sarees. We have 10 to 12 different colors in this video. So all these colors we are going to show in this video. So before that, if you are first time watching our channel, please do subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so that you will get regular notifications whenever we are uploading fresh collections. All these are brocade handloom soft silk sarees. So we have more designs in our YouTube channel. Please check our YouTube channel for more designs. All are our own manufacturing sarees, freshly stocked from our looms. We have 12 different colors. All these sarees are very beautiful color combinations. The very first is a pink with green combination. All over the saree you have beautiful gold jari work and rich pallu in gold jari. You will get a contrast blouse in green color. This is the back side of the saree. As you can see, the rich jari work in saree comes all over the saree. This saree is alone a borderless. Next saree is a tissue border saree with both sides you will get a tissue border. A beautiful blue with yellow combination. All over the saree you have this geometrical zigzag pattern which comes all over the saree and a rich pallu in yellow color. This is the back side of the saree. All these jari work is done in a gold jari one. So next is a red with yellow combination. So all these are double warp sarees, comes with a SILKMARK certified. If you want to book any of these colors, do take screenshot and text us in the WhatsApp. A WhatsApp number is displayed in the screen. You can simply share the screenshot and book with us. This is the back side of the saree, a beautiful geometrical pattern in gold jari which comes all over the saree with both sides tissue border. So all are premium quality silk, double warp quality, so please don't miss these collections. Book your favorite saree. We have very beautiful color combinations. A royal blue with yellow combination. All these sarees comes with a SILKMARK certified and you can book it from anywhere. We are shipping all over India and we do have international shipping as well. So please don't wait it. Book this saree if you want to book any of these colors. Next is an yellow with red combination. Our shop is located in Sirumuhe, Coimbatore district, Tamil Nadu. You can visit us directly as well for more collections and bulk orders. We are giving it for wholesalers and shop owners. So please do contact us and visit us directly for more collections and bulk orders. Also we do have video call facility as well. You can check it in the video call and book the saree if you have any color confirmation. Next is a beige with red combination. A very beautiful color combination this is. All these are brocade sarees at manufacturing price. The approximate price range of these sarees is 6,500 to 7,000, which is the best manufacturing price. All these sarees of soft silk sarees, very lightweight. Approximate weight of these sarees will be 600 to 700 grams, so which is really lightweight to wear for all age groups. And next is a navy blue with red combination. So we have few more colors in this video. Watch this video fully for all the color combinations and book your favorite saree. Also please do share this video with your friends and family if you like our collections.